Welcome everyone. How is everything? I hope everything is going on fine. In the last classes, we have already discussed on variables, functions, and class, and a little bit about object too. Today we are going to discuss with conditional statements. Okay. In every programming language, we do have conditional statements. What are these? Let's say conditional statements. This is our conditional underscore statement dot Python file. And today we are going to discuss with conditional statements. Okay. What are conditional statements? In Python, Python programming supports the usual logical conditions from mathematics. Say, for example, A equal to B. In every programming language, when we are say equals, we put double equals, okay? So A double equals B, meaning A equals to B. And in every programming language, when we say not equal, we say A exclamation sign equals B, meaning not equal. So double equals are equal in any programming language, and not equal is exclamation sign, then equal sign, okay? And less than, so very simple, A is less than B, and A can be also greater than B. And less than or equal is less than equal B. We can say also less than or greater than or equal, okay? Hello. Equal to hello. A hello. Greater than hello. Equal to B. Now we are going to test. We are going to take two variables, like A equal to 100 and B equal to 200. We can see A is only 100 and B is 200. So in our common sense, we can understand B is greater, right? Now, in programming language, especially in Python, we can say if A is greater than B, okay, colon, we can say print A is greater than B, okay? A is greater than B, print A is greater than B. Nothing has been printed, okay? And we can say else, okay? Else, colon, prints B is greater than A. Now, what do you think? Which block of code will be printed? 15, line 15 or line 17? If block or else block? Let's check. I just run the program and B is greater than A. And definitely B is greater because B is 200 and A is only 100, right? So A is greater than B is not being printed because it is false. Okay. Uh, B is greater than A. This is true. And that is why else block is being printed. Okay. And in Python program, we have also another block or condition, that is a leave uh, prints A and B is equal. This is also false, so it will definitely not be printed. Okay. All right. We call it elite block. We can say A is equal B. All right, B is greater than A. Okay. If even we don't have this block, else block, look, nothing will be printed because these two statements are false. Is it clear? If the concept is clear, I will request you to practice a couple of times, maybe 3, 4, 5 times. It will help you to understand this 3 statements: if, elif is else if, and else. Okay. All right. Practice once, twice, thrice, 4th time, 5 times. It will help you to master on the concepts. This is very important because in our practical programming life, we have to compare a lot of things. Okay, whether this is equal, not equal, or equal, greater than, less than, a lot of things. Okay, try to remember it, and it will help you to understand the concept. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for today. In the next class, we are going to proceed further on object-oriented programming. Okay, thank you so much.